all guys. It should be conducted, the workshop should be conducted in English language overall for the 90 minutes, because I think so you are near to be close to finish your MLIS. So I hope your English language skill should be developed, you can understand the workshop and take the workshop in English language. I just need your responses on the chat box. So otherwise we have another option. We can make this workshop as a bilingual. There is a mix-up of Urdu and English language. So I have received responses from Muniba Ahmed Awan, and she is saying that she is feasible with that, and I should conduct in an English language. Rest of them, anyone who wants to contribute and share their opinion, so we will do accordingly. We have set the protocol of this workshop session that we should conduct in an English language. So first of all, I formally begin this workshop. This is the course title, Public Records, and you are my audience of MLIS 4th semester, and the course code is 5651. And this is the autumn session of 2021, and today is the 24th of April. And I am your resource person. From my side, I am your resource person. I am PhD scholar at Islamia University, Bhavalpur, and currently working at Aga Khan University, Karachi. And here is my email address. And I have been associated with the different international organizations like IFLA. I am IFLA Social Science Standing Committee. I am a member of IFLA Social Science Standing Committee, as well as I am a member of ASSETS, American Society of Information, where I'm serving as the Information Ethics and Policy Committee as a treasurer. And I have also been contributed as a international library network as the ambassador of Pakistan from 2014 to 2016. So for all these notes and my introduction, I'm just moved to the next slide. So this is your course outline. We have to cover in a couple of 6 days. We have to cover. This is our course outline. The topic 1 we will talk about today, which is known as a public record, and topic number 2, it's about the rare material. And tomorrow definitely that is the Sunday, and Sunday we will we have definitely take a break and rest, and on Monday we will cover the 2 topics like archives and information world, and the 27th of April I have covered the 2 topics, which is record management and find ads, and 28th of April we will cover one more topic, which is known as a archival legislation, and 29th of April furthermore I will just cover the one topic which is known as a Pakistani archives development, and what is the status of Pakistani archives in Pakistan, and their progress. And topic number 8, which I will cover on Organization of Pakistani National Archives, and another topic which is also covered by the Provincial Archive on the 30th of April. This is our course outline. I will share with you guys, if you have any question, if you have any plan, if you have any query, so you will come with that theme. If you have any assignments question regarding that, I hope first assignment is already been submitted and second is now in progress and last will be coming soon. So if you have any related need any kind of support, so you may ask it. And there is a question raised by the Bushra Rabbani. She is saying that she did not receive my voice. Beside Bushra Rabbani, anyone else who's facing the voice problem? So if you guys are okay, if you can you mention on the chat box? So I got the acknowledgement. Either all people are facing the same problem. Thank you, Kasser Abbas, and okay, thank you. Thank you very much for Munib Ahmed Awan and Farhana Ghazal. So it is being the rule of our presentation that if you on every slide I'm asking about that if you face any voice problem, but I will just mention you voice problem fall from the both the end, like from the my side as well as from your side, because we all are the dependent about the internet speed and connectivity, and those who are connected with the Wi-Fi. But those person who are connected to the data, mobile data, they also face the problem with the data speed. So internet connectivity is a question for us. So doesn't matter if you face any problem, because I want to try and facilitate. Each one is very important for me. So I want to facilitate, because this workshop and this presentation and this session is designed for you, and it's all about you. So for all these notes, should I move to the next slide? And today we have targeted two topics. Number one is public record, and number two is the rare material. For those who are just come on board of this workshop, I just informed that today we will cover the two topics, public record and rare material. For all these notes, I move for the next slide. So this is our scheme of presentation, and today we will talk about the topics, and I will try to cover the following topics from the public record section. I will cover 5 topics. Number 1, public record. I will just provide the definition of public record. Number 2, types of public record. Number 3, public record versus private information. It is being very important section. I will just stay, so try to understand that, because most of you guys are doing such type of mistakes. Topic number 3, public record with the private information. It is being, there are some ethics of information, but I feel that you are not aware with that. I have just part of your WhatsApp group. I'm saying that there are some private information is being shared without taking the permission, the individual concern. So it is being very important, public record with private information. And then topic number 4, public records in libraries and format of public records. And the topic in part 2, I will just discuss the rare material, what is rare material, and the types of rare material like manuscripts, hand in Kabula and out of print box. Topic number 3, acquisition of real material and handling and processing of rare material. Number 5, preservation of rare material. And number 6, I will talk about the digital initiative. And number 6, I will just show you the importance of rare material and a case study, because I belong to the Aga Khan Library Network. So we have a very expansive project with the collaboration of UNESCO, ISMC AIOU Rare Collection, where we have near about 250 manuscripts we have processed and digitalized. So you guys, I will just provide you a virtual tour of that library, which is situated at Aga Khan University at UK, London. So definitely you will enjoy. One more thing before the presentation, I just want to congratulations to you all guys, those who passed their all semester and just enter in the phase of the last and final semester to get their precious degree of Master in Library and Information Sciences. Definitely you all guys doing hard work and able to reach there. So I hope you will make pride of the institution, Allama Iqbal Open University, and the resource person, those who are taught you. And I hope you, the learning process after getting the degree, I will just advise you, the learning process remain continue. So learning is librarian are the part of lifelong learning. So I will trust that you all guys will continue the process of learning. And be hard work for that. It is being, it's my wish and dream to become the good librarian and effective, not a good librarian. It's my wish and dream to become the best librarian, not in the Pakistan, the best librarian of the world, and apply and invent the best practices in the field of library and information science. So, if you, I hope you will enjoy that session. Those who are joined with that, I will just inform you that today we will just learn 2 topics: public record and rare material. If you just connect with in this online workshop, so I just inform you today I will just cover 2 topics: public record and rare material. Anyhow, I just move for the next slide. And anyone who takes my previous workshops for the course of 5647 or on 5648, any previous students in chat room, those who takes my previous workshops? No one, everyone is new for me. Oh, that's great. Thank you all guys to see the anyone old student. Okay, thank you, Iftikhar. And Asma Fakhr. Sorry for guys if I made a wrong pronunciation of your name. I will just thank you. Only 2 students. Oh, sorry. Rest of them for the 90. Okay, thank you, Fawzia. And there is a one quotation. I will just begin with that. Thank you, Fawzia Parveen. You are the new one. I hope you will enjoy a couple of 6 days, and coming 6 days you will enjoy the learning process. Okay, Manohar, you are my previous student. Thank you. So I just begin with that today's quotation. Today's quotation is that without libraries, what we have? It is a one of the quotation. We have no past and we have no future. It's a Ray Bradbury is a American screenwriter and author. He's quoted that without library we don't have any past and we have no future. So this topic is a very related to that. In this topic of public record, we maintain our present record for the past record, and other topic, the real material, we save over the past, we save over the heritage. Basically, library is a transformation of culture. Library is a part where we transformate our culture from one generation to another generations. It's a role of librarian who transformation the knowledge. How it is possible that it is possible to manage the and maintain the public record, and within the passage of time, those records who are the public record become the part of the history and become the real record and real material. And so the librarian are the bridge. Librarian are the bridge, and libraries are the hub. Libraries are the knowledge hub where all the materials are being preserved, where all the materials are being stored. And at the time, whenever, whatever we required, we just pick up that material and facilitate the society, facilitate the scholars, facilitate the researcher. So this is the main motto of this course of public record. I hope this theme is the totally fit. This wonderful quotation I picked this morning, but this quotation is today fit for today's topic. Bushra, you are still saying that you did not listen my voice, and Sabika Niazi, two female students are saying that she did not listen my voice. Beside anyone else? Navishta Rahman, she is saying that my voice is clear. Bushra Rabbani is clear. Please, Iftikhar is saying that clear. Muniba is saying that clear. Please check, you two guys, Bushra Rabbani and Sabika Niazi. I think there is some sort of problem with your microphone, or as well as for your internet connectivity. Please test your microphone from the otherwise, listen to otherwise, and then check it out. Because all the 41 people guys, only you two persons face the problem of voice. Rest of them is enjoying with that. So this is being after this quotation. Shall we move for the next slide? The protocol which is missing during the introduction is that if you have any question, so please check your microphone, I think so, or your headphone or laptop. If you listen from the laptop, then check your microphone setting or laptop speaker setting.